Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set Google Drive links on the Evernote application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and click to the profile icon at the upper left corner of the screen and click to the settings icon. Here click to the third option, the notes, and you can find the links and attachment option under the advanced editing. Here you can find the third button, the Google Drive links, and you can find the two options, the text or the title displaying mode. Actually I use the title, but you can use the text too. Just select one and click that, and that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.